It's a beautiful rainy day. Last night, I was very glad that I'd spent the day cutting the bottom off of the tents because it provided me with the cover that I needed to keep from getting wet. Perfect. 2 tent bottoms, a slightly holy roof. And then I kept this little garden pot and I rinsed it out this morning the best I was able with some water and washed my lettuce, which came with lots of bugs, and made this beautiful salad on a banana leaf. Wow, huh? Wow. So, tomato, mango, lettuce, and celery. $5 for the supplies plus the carrots. And I thought of a beginning to my book last night. A very strong direct angle. And so I think it's going to go much faster now, and really I can finish in 2 or 3 months, maybe 4. I opened my computer at 9:11 a.m., of course, right, the portal. And it is April the 25th, 2011. And I shall enjoy the day in the woods. Yesterday, the census people stopped by, and I'm the one living here. The man who actually owns this piece of property is in another country right now. So I've cleaned up the trash, and I'm cleaning up a bit. I imagine he won't mind that I'm squatting. I will leave when he returns, or perhaps before. But maybe I'll be here a few months, even though the night noises are a little bit more than I really enjoy. But I was given a home. Look, here I am. It's beautiful. Let's see what it looks like in a few months. Maybe it won't change much because mostly I'm just going to write.